In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to recover and repair your SSD not detected in BIOS. Physical damage. This could be a damaged cable or a physical issue with the SSD itself. Logical damage. This involves software-related problems like corrupted file systems. Driver issues. Outdated or incompatible drivers can sometimes cause detection problems. How to prevent SSD from further damage. Stop using the SSD to prevent overwriting data. Consider professional data recovery services for critical data. Let's see how to recover data from an undetected SSD. To recover data from an SSD, you need one of the best SSD recovery software such as Remo Recover. This tool supports various SSD types and brands, including photos, videos, music files, and documents. Install the software, launch the software, and if you cannot find your SSD drive, click on the Can't Find Drive option. Initiate a deep scan. While the scan runs, you can recover your data simultaneously through the dynamic recovery view. Preview recoverable files and select desired ones. Choose a destination to save the recovered file. Now, let's see how to fix SSD not detected in BIOS issue. Inspect the cable for physical damage and replace the cable if necessary. Open Device Manager. Right-click on the hard drive and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Connect the SSD to another computer to identify the issue. If none of the above solutions work, the SSD might be physically damaged. Consult a professional data recovery service for assistance. For more solution on SSD not detected in BIOS, click on the link in description.